As a homeowner in Layton, you know that maintaining a comfortable and energy-efficient home is important, especially with the area's changing seasons and variable temperatures. Your windows play a key role in keeping your home insulated, secure, and comfortable. However, over time, windows can begin to show signs of wear, and their performance may decline. When this happens, it's important to recognize the signs that it's time for replacement windows to avoid unnecessary discomfort and higher energy bills. Here are some of the most common signs that it may be time to replace your windows in Layton. Increased energy bills. One of the most noticeable signs that it's time to replace your windows is a spike in your energy bills. Windows that aren't properly sealed or insulated allow outdoor air to enter your home, making it harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. This forces your heating and cooling systems to work harder, leading to higher energy consumption and increased utility costs. If you've noticed a significant rise in your electricity or gas bills despite consistent usage, it could be due to drafts or heat transfer through your old windows. Replacing them with energy-efficient windows can drastically improve your home's energy performance, keeping your heating and cooling costs in check and providing long-term savings. Visible drafts. If you feel drafts around your windows even when they're closed, that's a strong indication that your windows are no longer performing as they should. Drafts allow air from the outside to enter, making your home feel uncomfortable, particularly during colder months. Whether it's a cold breeze in winter or hot air in the summer, drafty windows make it harder to regulate the indoor temperature. To check for drafts, try holding a candle or incense stick near the edges of your windows. If the smoke moves or the flame flickers, it means that air is leaking through the window frame. In this case, replacing your windows with well-sealed, energy-efficient windows can help eliminate drafts and improve your home's comfort and energy efficiency. Condensation between the panes. Condensation between the panes of your double or triple pane windows is another clear sign that it's time for a window replacement. When the seal on multi-pane windows fails, moisture can get trapped between the glass panes, leading to fogging or condensation. Not only is this unsightly, but it also means the window is no longer providing the same level of insulation and energy efficiency. This issue typically requires window replacement since the broken seal cannot be repaired in many cases. Investing in new sealed windows will restore the performance of your windows and eliminate moisture buildup that could lead to further damage or mold growth. Difficulty operating windows. If your windows have become difficult to open, close, or lock, it may be time for a replacement. Over time, the mechanisms in your windows can wear out, making them harder to operate. Warping, swelling, or buildup of dirt and grime in the window tracks can cause the window to get stuck or misaligned. In addition to being a hassle, windows that don't open, close, or lock properly pose a safety risk. If you can't securely lock your windows, it may compromise the security of your home. Replacing these old, inefficient windows with new, functional ones will restore ease of use, security, and efficiency. Visible damage or wear where cracked or broken glass, warped frames, or rotting wood are signs of significant wear and tear. Physical damage to your windows can lead to air leaks, water intrusion, and mold buildup, which can result in further damage to your home. If your windows are showing visible signs of damage or deterioration, it's important to replace them as soon as possible. New windows will not only improve the aesthetic appearance of your home but will also prevent further damage to your home's structure and interior. Outside noise is becoming more noticeable. If you live in a busy neighborhood or near a major roadway, you may have noticed that the outside noise is becoming more noticeable inside your home. As windows age, they lose their ability to block out sound effectively. Older, single-pane windows or poorly sealed double-pane windows are less effective at insulating against noise. Replacing your old windows with soundproofing windows, such as double or triple pane windows, can significantly reduce the amount of outside noise that enters your home. This is especially important if you work from home or have a young family who needs a quiet and peaceful environment. Outdated aesthetics. Old windows can make your home look dated and affect its curb appeal. If your windows are no longer matching the style of your home or have become faded or worn over time, replacing them can dramatically enhance your home's overall appearance. Modern windows come in a wide range of styles, colors, and finishes, making it easy to choose windows that complement your home's architectural design and aesthetic preferences. Updating your windows not only improves the look of your home but also increases its market value, making it a great investment if you're considering selling in the future. You're renovating or moving. If you're renovating your home or planning a move, replacing your windows is an investment that will pay off in the long run. New windows can significantly enhance the overall look of your home, increase its energy efficiency, and make it more appealing to potential buyers. Whether you're upgrading as part of a larger renovation or preparing to list your home, new windows offer long-term value and immediate returns. Conclusion: time for a window replacement in Layton? If you've noticed any of the signs mentioned above, higher energy bills, drafts, condensation between panes, or damaged frames, it's time to consider replacing your windows in Layton. Upgrading to new, energy-efficient windows will improve your home's comfort, security, and aesthetic appeal, while helping you save on energy costs. Whether you're preparing to sell your home, improving energy efficiency, or simply looking to enjoy a more comfortable living space, replacing your windows is a smart investment. With the right windows, you can create a home that is more comfortable, secure, and efficient.